To make truly authentic chicken tikka, start with high heat and a bold double marinade for that smoky, tender bite. Ingredients: 500 grams boneless chicken thighs cut into cubes, lemon, ginger garlic paste, salt, thick Greek yoghurt or hung curd, mustard oil, and spices. First marinade. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and 1-2 teaspoons salt. Toss to coat and rest 15 to 20 minutes. Second marinade base. 1 2-cup thick yoghurt and 1 tablespoon mustard oil, the zing that helps spices cling. Spices: 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon kasuri methi. Whisk into a smooth paste, then coat the chicken thoroughly until glossy. Cover and refrigerate at least 2 hours. Overnight is best for deep flavor. Thread onto skewers with onion and bell pepper chunks for extra aroma and char. Grill over medium-high heat 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally. Or bake at 220 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, or air fry at 200 degrees for 12 to 15. Cook until the edges char and the centers are just done. Brush with melted butter while hot for shine and richness. Finish with a sprinkle of chaat masala, and if no grill, add a quick charcoal smoke for that tandoori aroma. Plate with lemon wedges and mint chutney to cut through the richness. Smoky, tender, and vibrant. Your perfect chicken tikka is ready. Pro tip: use thighs for juiciness, cook hot, add a brief, safe dunger for smoky aroma. Finish with butter, lemon, and mint chutney. Want my mint coriander chutney recipe?